So we're looking at this first pinball machine question. Maybe you're looking at it like, what in the world is going on? Maybe. So I figured let's try to connect this to real world. Like, what does Dobson see when he plays a game of pinball? So I guess first the question is, what does a pinball machine look like? Hopefully, you guys have played one of these at some point in your lives. They have online versions too, like this one. Okay. So what's going on here, right? You notice that there's a little spring here connected to your mass. Same idea here. Here's your spring. Here's your little metal ball that goes through your pinball machine, right? And generally, I'm pretty sure we all know you got to like stretch this thing back, and then it'll fire off your ball. But have you ever wondered how much do you have to actually pull it back to get it where you want? Like you play this game enough, and you're like, oh, I can't pull it back all the way. I need to put it back just like a little bit. But if I don't pull it back enough, it's not going to go through. And hopefully, this is a dilemma that you've had. Like, how much do I pull this spring back to get it where I need to get it? Today, we're going to answer that question for you, that burning question. You know, Dobson be in the arcade with his calculator trying to figure out how much do I actually need to stretch this back. So that's what's going on here. You stretch this back, and when you let go, the spring will release, firing the ball off forward. Okay. So the question is, what's going on here? What's this incline? What's this triangle thing? Well, checking out these pinballs machines, hopefully you're looking at it and noticing they're not flat. They're not level with the ground. They're tilted upward. Like this one. This one's tilted upward. And bam, there's our triangle. So the ball is right at the bottom of that plane or that triangle at the bottom of the height. And it needs to travel up the incline. And then this is a little exaggerated, but here goes your spring behind it. So if you pull back the spring, the ball, and then release the spring, the ball will go forward and then travel up the incline plane, and then you're in your game. So you need to travel up this incline, and then the ball is free to run through the course as is. Okay, so that's what we're looking at.